In today's video, we'll go over two exciting new quick action features within Gavel Exec: find missing terms and summarize red lines. To utilize these two features, click on the More section here in the quick action menu bar and start with, in our case, find missing terms. We can change the baseline that exec should use to identify the missing terms, such as general market norms, industry-specific norms, or sample documents that you provide. So if you want to add different context documents here, you can. In our case, we're looking at a California commercial lease agreement, so I'm going to say commercial real estate. We can also decide how we want exec to present these findings, either as a list of bullet points, red lines with suggested alternative market language, or comments explaining deviations. So I'm going to go ahead and say red lines. We can add any additional special instructions here. For example, I can say make these suggestions from the perspective of representing the landlord and say find missing terms. In the rent section, it wants us to add pay in advance and no offset language and fixes erroneous after the initial term to apply during the term, which is more landlord favorable. So I'm going to go ahead and accept that red line. I can see that it's been applied here as well. I can go through and apply additional red lines or apply all. I can from here say summarize the red lines that were made in this document. The summary shows that under the rent section, we added language requiring rent to be paid in advance without offset or deduction. Under the insurance and casualty section, we revised to clarify that the landlord must maintain insurance, added its expense but recoverable as part of operating expenses. So we'll be able to go through the different summaries and, if we need to, share them with our clients. This has been an overview of these two exciting new features within Gavel Exec: find missing terms and summarize red lines.